Hello guys, good morning. Cooking oil in a pan, butter in a pan. Yes, magluluto po tayo ng dalawang menu. As you can see, dalawa yung aking pan, isang big wok at saka isang medium. I'm going to cook a buttered vegetables and a fried chicken. Butter with garlic. I saute it. Then in the other pan, the fried chicken. Pinagsabay ko na siya para madali akong magluto. Ayan. This is my life as a cook. Every 10 a.m. in the morning, I started cooking for lunch because this is my job. While frying, I'm sauteing, I'm cooking the vegetables. Ayan po. And I love what I'm doing. Not because it is my job, but because I love doing this. Ayan. Malapit na pong maluto yung fried chicken. Nakailang sala ko ng fried chicken, anim na salang. Yan. I continue to mix the vegetables because i-blanch ko lang yung mga gulay. Dahil may natirang isang piraso ng beans, kaya yun hinihiwa ko na siya doon. I'm not using a sangkalat. Pero, bago ko naman siya nilagay, talagang hinugasan ko naman. Yan, dahil isang piraso lang naman yan. Ayan. Ayan. Isang baliktad na lang at pwede na yung ating fried chicken. Ayan. At patok po yung niluto kong ito dahil sold out. Yung ating chicken, yung ating vegetables, almost done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.